I need your attention on this answer I'm going to give you. Maybe you switch off your own. Oh, okay. No one has ever heard me speak about the health conditions of Bola-Ahmed Tinubu, or for that matter, any other person. No one has ever heard me, and I cannot be quoted. And I can speak for His Excellency Governor Peter Obi. We don't speak about their personal conditions, any God-given talents, because there is philosophy behind this. There's morality behind it. I personally believe that the health in you, in anybody, is bestowed by Almighty Allah. And Peter Obi made the same comment. When Tinubu could not show up for a variety of events, we spoke and he said, I really hope this gentleman is all right. He expressed that concern. I really, really hope Tinubu is okay. And Peter Obi and myself will not hold it against him that he is not well. The health and the strength in Peter Obi is not his own making. God gave him. The health and the strength in me now and for everybody is not our making. God gave us. We really sympathize with Peter Obi, and we will not hold it against him. With Tinubu. We sympathize with Tinubu and will not hold it against him that he is not well. However, Nigeria is too great for any individual's ambition, individual and group. Nigeria is too great. I refer us to President Goodluck Jonathan, who said his personal ambition is not worth the blood of any Nigerian, and handed over the government. A well-respected leader all over Africa, and indeed the world today, Bola-Ahmed Tinubu, claims to be a godfather. He can continue to be a godfather if Nigerian presidency is not for him. It is not in our place, Peter Obi and myself, to tell him that you're sick. Please, go and relax. If you think you can, be our guest. Come to the field, we beat you. And even in doing that, we will treat you kindly and show respect to you. When we beat you, take you back home, and show you how we will handle Nigeria. But anybody who means well for Nigeria and knows that they have shortcomings, for God's sake, step aside. It is not the first time in our history. Step aside, give way. There are others who will do the job better. I thank you very much for coming. Thank you so much.